There are a variety of reasons for dry skin. Your genetics, cold and dry climate, over-cleansing your skin, or using harsh skincare ingredients. While you can't do a thing about your DNA, adopting simple skincare habits can go a long way in tackling dry skin. Hi guys, I'm Dr. Jisha Bhatia Serene, and today I'm going to talk about skin-friendly habits that will help you deal with dry skin. Your skin does not love the hot showers that you've been enjoying these winters. Extended exposure to water, especially hot water, can remove the layer of essential oils from your skin. This type of skin can feel really dry and uncomfortable. Best is to keep your water lukewarm and limit the time you spend in your shower to 3 to 5 minutes. Using an antibacterial body wash or soap that produces a lot of lather can give you a squeaky clean feeling, but only in your head. These are too harsh to be used, especially on dry skin. Studies say that using a gentle body cleanser that contains chamomile or oatmeal and restricting it to areas of the body that are sweaty can suffice well. Perhaps one of the most important and commonly overlooked steps in the dry skincare game is changing to a seriously hydrating moisturizer. Use creams that contain ceramides or hyaluronic acid for your face and lanolin or mineral oil for your body. Use them within 3 minutes of stepping out of your shower and use a hefty amount of the product to moisturize your face and body day and night. Avoid anything and everything with clay, charcoal, dyes, fragrances, apricot or walnut granules, or any other sort of physical exfoliators. If you want to exfoliate your skin gently, meet your dermat and talk about peels such as lactic acid peel that are not only exfoliating, they're very well hydrating, that are perfect for dry skin. It is a good idea to limit the amount of caffeine, coffee and alcohol that you're taking because these are diuretics, meaning that these can seriously dehydrate your skin. Your skin would love to be left alone with a moisturizer for 8 hours straight. So moisturize every tiny bit of your face, including the area around your eyes and your mouth, and all the dry areas of your body at bedtime. I have never met a patient with sun-damaged skin who doesn't complain about being dry. So even if you have dry skin, never skip your sunscreen. Use it in a cream form if you like it. People who are on retinoids often don't realize that these could be the reason for your skin dryness and peeling. If you are using a prescription-grade retinoid and experiencing these side effects, you can consider using retinoids every alternate days and use only pea-sized quantity. You can also consider layering it with a moisturizer on the top of a retinoid. If these steps don't help, you can lower down the concentration of the retinoid or switch to an over-the-counter form of retinoid, also known as retinol. If you have dry skin on your body, you want to stay away from synthetic fabrics and wool. Cotton is better suited for you. Finally, if you cannot decipher of what is going wrong with your skin, please meet your dermat and let them come to your rescue. Not every skin condition can be treated off the internet.